About a year after we arrived in the boatyard, Lee pulled out his Mason 43. She had been beat up pretty bad by Hurricane Harvey and lost her mast, but now her new owner was determined to see her floating again. We became fast friends with Lee and his lab Missy, and we helped each other out physically and emotionally, as is apt to happen when sailors travel the same seas together.
Missy, you stay right here.
He buffed and shined her till he could see his reflection in the hull. For 2 years, we cheered each other on, and we splashed our boats a week apart from each other. Lee replaced the broken heart of his boat with an electric yacht Quiet Torque 20 and powered it with Firefly batteries. He documented this refit on his YouTube channel, The Journey of Malu, where he shared his beautiful philosophy on life and his favorite project. We felt privileged to be asked to help on her inaugural voyage to the marina.
Yeah, it's taken a little while to come down. It's okay.
What do you think, baby girl?
He wants to know when we get to eat.
So are we in the right spot?
During this 4-hour trip to the marina, Lee was ecstatic, and when it rained a bit, he said nothing could ruin this day. As we entered the marina, a storm that hadn't been on the forecast swept down on us with 35-knot winds and gusts to 50, pelting us with rain and pinning us against a private dock. As we secured the boat, Lee suffered a massive heart attack, and despite our efforts to revive him, he sailed on to his next adventure without us. He was an amazing man who is missed dearly. His beloved Malu, a 1983 Mason 43, is for sale. Details in the description below.